Flour Mills PLC share price appreciated by 4.93% to close at 35 naira 10 kobo per share, taking the market capitalization from 137.16 billion to 143.92 billion. Well, Flour Mill PLC recorded a gain in share prices, which can be attributed to investors' positive sentiment, which triggered buy interest in the shares of the company, supporting a gain of 6.77 billion naira in the market capitalization at the close of Tuesday. The shares of the quoted company appreciated by 33.4. That's 33 naira 45 kobo per share at the start of the trading day to 35 naira 10 kobo per share. The highest price traded at the close of the market to represent a gain of 4.93%, which is monetary terms is 1 naira 65 kobo. But if you look at the oil shell index, which has been up, deals declined by 5.13%. The volume went up by beg your pardon, the volume declined by 18.88%. The value also declined by 32.74%, settling at 3.82 billion. The market capitalization remained flat there. But if you look at the top 5 gainers for Tuesday's trade, you also have Lane Africa, R2 Briscoe, Verisys Cap. You have National Salt Company of Nigeria. You have that as well. Then you have Morrison. But on the flip side, now, if you take a look at the top 5 decliners for Tuesday's trade, Berger is among. You also have Jais Bank, International Bureau, EATI already in the decline, in the red there, losing about 35 kobo to close at 12 naira 15 kobo at the close of Tuesday's trade. But if you look at the sector movement for February 15, NSE 30 remain in the red, banking remain in the red, insurance, except for insurance, which went up by 1.5% at the close of Tuesday. Industries remain in the red, declining by 0.02%, while the oil and gas went up by 0.26% at the close of Tuesday. Now, let's bring in a good place to bring in Mr. Ambrose Omodion. Thank you for your time, Ambrose Omodion, for joining us again. The market, yes, was a bit mixed yesterday, but how will you describe, given the fact that Flour Mill came to the rescue yesterday?
Yeah, actually, looking at the market yesterday, I'll tell you the market is still looking for a trigger. We see that the top gainers, as you mentioned, these are local stores, but we saw the two activities in the national source and the Flour Mill, and these are consumer goods companies. It tells me that these companies are really becoming attractive to investors, and it's why they are right to see such stores are the ones that recorded the kind of the application apart from all those South Africa, Aerospace, and the most industry. For me, the market is just waiting for an information that will either in up direction and the down direction. That is why on Monday, so that the market was marginally down, but the marketplace was flat. But yet, we now saw that the market index was flat again, while the marketplace was positive, taking about 28 against 23. So that for me, the market is just that strength, waiting for what these earnings to just start in the market. But for me, I think that in terms of the back of mind, that the activities that come with earnings season, I always say the volatility, and also people that enter India, that we 50%, 10%, when they don't come to the market, they need another 10%, additional 55%, they're selling across their traders. That might affect the index, so either up or down. For me, as an investor, I think that what are you investing for? Are you investing for capital, or are you investing for what? Are you investing for dividend, or capital acquisition? What's more is the kind of stock matter of the doing that stuff like national source, and even lenders that just people are people now think that this kind of stuff not on the different expectation, because someone may have mark at the end and look at the assessment that was into the market because it was very flat. But because people are hearing one information of that is why they are treating news of Flour Mill. And it's an investor. Know what they why they're in the market. Is it for dividend, capital acquisition? For movement in Flour Mill, don't eat the another this morning, I can see the also going around it and already this morning. But not the time they got the direction. I would say investor, if you are buying any stock from that division, have to watch your buying reach, your stop loss, and your profit target. Once you are
If you look at I mean the inflation figure for January, which has witnessed a bit of a decline from 15.63% in December to 15.60% in January. Are we likely to see fund flow from the equities market to the fixed income market?
Yes, actually, look at this. So it is just demonstration. So it declined from 15.63 to 15.60. It just a slide down. For me, it's not change the position of the portfolio managers and speak down. Once you start seeing inflation below 15, around 14%, that can trigger some people in the market now. But now we're in any season. I don't see this little slide start pushing down into the market because most of the dividends of our market that speak are above 5.8. The average once the market is 11 and 10. And I'm telling you that already that was not seeing no interest what they're going to do at the end of the year. That was what guys portfolio managers, they are the one that move the market to stay the market until they take their dividend. I'm telling you, all those DFAs are long-term investors. That's why look at the pension agents of the market. The activity that that is where the position or the expectation of dividend. For me, the inflation will not have more than but rather it does give us an insight what has happened. But that's the changes so much. And also now that we're seeing where that is already, that was going to change the price of goods affected in the market. That means we might see another uptick again at the end of February. Because I'm telling you, this is almost like a big step that changed price of goods affected in the market. Yes, we might see a little drop in consumers' price like in January. But this tax was expected in February. That was the policy with the subject.
You know why I ask you that question? Ms. Ambrose, why I ask that question is because you have said it's a volatile market and the volatility is not it's likely not to end anytime soon. So investor will be cautious to see where they can play safe with their funds, and so they'll be considering perhaps other segments of the market.
Yeah, let me tell you, your reward to risk is very important in any investment you are doing. But if you see the time space or the period that you have to stay in investment, it's also a factor of considering your business decision. I understand what your question, reward to risk, I will agree. But I'm telling you, if you take a business risk in equity, you will make bigger money. For example, now, if you are entering a business bank, below 28 naira, and finally they pay you that's 10% each. And business bank will not exceed their procedure in the month of March. The only March is giving you your dividend. And you are buying now, and you are in less than 2 months to make 10%. Then you are waiting for it to take the whole year, you are waiting for 2%. But I agree that yes, this reward comes when the decision. But also, timing is very important because there's always a factor for each market. That's I tell you that each stock on the equity for each market has their own characteristics and their own advantage. But speak now, there are some stocks in the market that can see people return on a shorter period than any investment that you want to take for certain period.
If you look at the top 5 gainers for February 15, low small caps like Len Africa, Morrison, and some other stocks there. So I was wondering that what informed this buy interest in some of these low cap stocks.
Well, like you just said, when we are in this period, every stock has their own different characteristics. For stock like academic grades that have been on the top trend, now then after I started again, then we have seen university grades. And these are practices and publishing companies. And you know that they get their own kind of funds once you are resuming, and also this is their 9th quarter last September, they are not ready because June, the end of their year, financial year. So in terms of when the lenders so can have to take profit, not the kind of market direction at any time because you have a debt book. That's why in investors have to consider that as you are buying some from the one, have to buy range, have to stop loss, have to stop with the target, and also which is necessary for once you achieve your goal, your target, your profit. Don't take the market, give the market for order because if they are becoming greedy, when people want to listen to the market at that particular time, I will tell you, keep parties over and don't go to each other. That's why as an investor or trader, no more than market before they go on to see their position.
Let's do a bit analysis on some of these sectors. Banking sector is back in the red at the close of Tuesday with 1.01% decline at the close of yesterday's session. So what it's likely to change in the coming days, given the fact that the banking sector had performed in the last about three sections, trading sections now?
I will tell you that in Nigerian equity market, the issue is that active sector is the most active sector, get investors and get regular dividends. On that note, I was quite that if you are seeing any pullback in banking stock, it's not going to be that income investor, it's not going to position. Especially when you look at the world assets, let me say the Fed bank or the FUGA, they are very good at that because this them was not from them. In the banking sector, anywhere in the world, out of your stable at the bank is for dividends the bank. What I feel. That's why in any year, dividend or what you call it, the British bank, it's saying what to pay. If you know that your capital adequacy is not in order, they won't allow you to take dividend. That's why you see, any bank sector jumping at more than between 45 to 50% of their earnings as dividend, say that bank is ready. But no regulator will allow bank to pay 50% of the earnings when the bank has an issue. That's why at any time, just like that, and that's why it is, for me, the two banks in banking debt is an opportunity. But once you see that, stocks like Fidelity Bank and the President, they are looking up why the bank and for the value for some weeks, but they don't get it for the number of. I'm telling you, these two banks is an opportunity for you to buy into this bank.
Well, it's the midweek or the market, of course, this is the third trading day of the week, and I want to expect that, the market will still remain a bit, maybe on the positive or the negative side. But before I talk about the rest of the week, let's talk about today. It's just about a few hours into today's trading. What is likely to dominate the market? What sentiment do you see dominating the market today?
Yeah, like I said earlier, that we expect this trend to continue. But to start seeing a couple action for dividend announcement from this financial year for December. Once time in the market, it will add kind of a trigger, a sentiment depending on their payout. If stocks like you can't expect the level to perform in this February, stocks like Africa Potential, as I mentioned earlier, Zenith Bank, Access Bank, when it comes and their payout is reasonable, I'm telling you, markets will see the main population. For other than people should know that market at this point is just around that marginally above 47, waiting for a trigger, and there is also a little sign of interest, but the Russia index are broken down to an average of 770. Now, say that market is also continue upward. Then you say above 20 it doesn't mean average, 200, no problem. But that short one says that yes, market is a bit, that's why that's broken down, 7 days average. But that is an insight. Once you do as a trader, once you see market in this direction, is stuff that you know that there's a trigger comment or an information that will put it off so it can come out. But when there's information, it's kind of a breakdown. That's why it's a information. But because we are all looking towards what anything, that's what is distributing. But that the first day today was relatively small. People are not selling, people are not buying, just wanting to see the number. Once the number can come in, and that will bring that position to get more dividend or big profit. That's why then anything is not worth to activity. People are buying, people are selling. That's why the trend was to go up and down.
We've seen some compliance levels, will I say, from some of these companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. How do you think that has also helped in strengthening investors' confidence in the market?
So actually, what the company is giving up the